Hello my dear students, how are you? Fine? Very good. Okay. I welcome you all to our English class of Standard 1. And today we will learn something that I will tell you afterwards. Now, students, are you feeling slight change in temperature nowadays? Are you feeling little bit cold? Yes, I am too. I am also feeling. Some slight change is there in the temperature, isn't it? Okay. Now, today I am going to ask you some questions. And I know all of you can answer me. Yes, that I know very well. Now, first of all, tell me how many months are there in a year? How many months? Yes? Okay, 12 months. Very good. Yes, I know that you all can answer. Now, my second question is, in which month your birthday comes? In which month you celebrate your birthday? If you will ask me, then I am celebrating my birthday in the month of June. So June is my favorite month. Now, yes, you all, I think you all know, you all know in which month you celebrate your birthday, isn't it? Now, come to the third question. My third question is, which one is your favorite month, or which is your favorite months? And there are 12 months in a year. Some months may be our favorite months. If you will again ask me, then I will say May, June is my favorite month. October, November is my favorite month. Now again you can ask me, why ma'am? Why May, June is your favorite month and October, November is your favorite month? I love to answer this. See, in the month of May and June, we are having our summer vacations. So, enjoying, playing. There is no foundation of you have to wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, because from 7 o'clock your classes will start. No foundation is there, isn't it? And again, why October and November are your favorite months, ma'am? You can ask me. Because many festivals are there in these 2 months. Durga Puja, Diwali, Chhat, isn't it? Bhai Dooj. Many festivals are there. And obviously we like festivals, we enjoy festivals, isn't it? Now you have to tell me which are your favorite months. Okay? And your birthday month is also your favorite, isn't it? Now, do you know in which month we celebrate Christmas? Yes, of course, in December. On 25th December we celebrate Christmas, isn't it? So you all know about all the months and everything. These all questions I was having doubt, but now all are cleared. Okay. You know, my dear students, yesterday I was very sad. Very sad. Do you know why? Actually, what happened, in the evening, I was reading a storybook in my garden. I was sitting in the garden, I was reading a storybook. And that storybook belongs to one of my friend, Rakhi. Okay. I took the storybook from her. when I was reading the storybook, at that time only, my two friends, one Rakhi and one Jyoti, they come to my house. And they came and what happened, Jyoti, she started shouting at me. She started shouting at once. I was puzzled why she is shouting. You know what she was telling? She told me that why you are reading the storybook? I was supposed to read first. I told that what happened? If I have taken the storybook and I have started reading, okay, fine. After reading, I will give it to you. You can read, no problem. But then also she started shouting at Rakhi also. Why you have given the storybook to her first? Now, you know what Rakhi did? She was listening everything and at once she snatched the storybook from my hand. And she told that, okay, fine. No one will take my storybook. This is my storybook and I am not going to give this storybook to any one of you. See, such a bad thing happened. What was the issue? After reading, I was going to give the storybook to her. And see, no one can now read the storybook. Nor I, neither Jyoti. Friends are not like this, isn't it? Now, student, you suggest me. Who was wrong? I was wrong. Rakhi was wrong or Jyoti was wrong? I will wait for your answer. Okay, just suggest me. Okay, let it be. Now let us come to our class, okay? So students, today we are going to start a new topic, a new lesson from our course book. And you know, in that lesson, there is a similar fighting between sun and the wind to prove who is stronger. Who is stronger? In my case also, Jyoti started fighting with me, sorry students. In the similar way, in this story also, the sun and wind, they are having a verbal fighting between themselves to prove who is stronger. Okay? So, hurry up, go and take out your book, your course book, this course book, this English course book. And first of all, go and take out your book. Then, so in this chapter 10, the sun and the wind, the name of the chapter, there is also a verbal fighting between the sun and the wind to prove who one is stronger. Now, when they were fighting now, what happened? They saw a man walking on the road. Now, as soon as they saw a man walking on the road, they decided that, okay, fine, let us see who can take off the coat. The man was wearing a coat of that man. One who will take off the coat of that man, he will be the stronger. So, we will read this story that who was able to take off the coat of that man. Okay. Now, first of all, now please take out your book first. Take out your book, page number 58. So this is the chapter, the sun and the wind, chapter 10. So what you will do first, you will write the date, classwork. And first we will do today the I connect section of this chapter, okay? Do you know how many months make a year? Complete this table with the missing months. I know. Everyone knows. How many months? Just you answered me. 12 months are there in a year. Now see here, some of the months are written, but some are missing. You have to write all those missing months. Suppose January. After January, February, then March, April, then May, then June. After June, July, August is written here. Then September, October, again November is written, last one is December. So January is the first month of the year and December is the last month of the year. So you have to write this and you will do this. This is your homework. Okay, you will do this. Now see here, the questions are, some questions are there in this I Connect section. In which month do you celebrate your birthday? You will write the month of your birthday. Which month is the coldest month? Yes, which month is the coldest month? Yes, from December, middle December to middle January. So we will write here January. Okay. Which month is the hottest? Oh my God. June. June is the hottest month. Isn't it? June. And as in which month do you celebrate your birthday? So my birthday month is June. But here you will write your birthday month. Okay? Clear? Now, first of we have completed this I Connect section. Now, let us write some of the hard words first. Okay? So what you have to do, students? Go and take out your copy. Copy, pencil, eraser. Okay? So see this is the chapter. Here, sun, the wind. See, they are showing themselves that I am stronger, I am stronger. And here is the man. Sorry students. Here is the man. So when we will read the chapter, we will come to know who one is stronger. Okay? Okay, fine. So let us write some of the hard words first. So what you will have to do? In the copy, you will write chapter 10. Sorry students. The name of the chapter, hard words. Okay? Start. Number 1, wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. Number 2, stronger. S-T-R-O-N-G-E-R. Stronger. Number 3, road. R-O-A-D. Road. Number 4, wearing. W-E-A-R-I-N-G. Number 5, coat. C-O-A-T. Number 6, quiet. Q-U-I-T-E. Number 7, simple. S-I-M-P-L-E. Number 8, remove. R-E-M-O-V-E. Number 9, behind. B-E-H-I-N-D. Number 10, cloud. C-L-O-U-D. Cloud. So these are some of the hard words. Only 10 hard words today I have written. In our next class we will write rest of all the hard words. Okay. And here 2 word meanings I have written today. Puffed. Puffed means breathed quickly. Okay. And second one is brighter. Brighter here in this chapter, brighter means stronger light. Okay. Now these, what you have to do? You have to write all these things in your copy. And how many times you are going to write these hard words? Yes, 3 times each. 3 times each you will write these hard words. And along with that, you will learn these hard words and these word meanings also. Clear? So your homework is to write these hard words 3 times, these word meanings in your copy, and in your book, page number 58, you will do this I Connect section of your book. You will write the missing months. Okay? And this question answer, these 3 question answers. Clear? Now students, you all are good in drawing, I know. So, you can draw sun and wind in your copy also as an activity of this chapter. You can draw, isn't it? So, please do all these things. Follow each other. And the most important thing, you will watch the video and you will follow all the instructions given in the videos. It may be of English, Maths, EVS or Hindi. Okay? Clear students? Okay. Bye.